Bobby is Awkward. Today I'm taking you through my curly hair routine. I am not curly girl. I break all the rules. But I'm going to show you how I fix my hair curly. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, I am Bobby is Awkward everywhere. I would really like it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel because a lot of people who watch aren't subscribed. And if you like this video, you should give it a big thumbs up. Enough chattering, let's fix it. So as you can see, I have a towel on my head. I just washed my hair with Herbal Essence Twisted something. It's the purple curly shampoo. And I'm about to fix my hair. I use 4 products on my curly hair. I use a leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I use the Heritage by Mindy Curl Pudding, but today I'm using the Lightest of Feather leave-in conditioner. And then I put anti-frizz on the end, the Heritage by Mindy Curl Cream, and then I use the Kinky Curl Curling Custard. And I am not curly girl. Let's state that. I am not curly girl. And I'm about to break all the curly rules. I'm about to use a wide tooth comb on my hair. Yep. You can see that's what I do. I will show you when it's dry, but this is after all the products. That's how I fix my hair curly. I just use 4 products. Pretty simple. I use Totally Twisted by Herbal Essence shampoo today. I vary on shampoos. I have a bunch in my shower. I have some of the Heritage by Mindy McKnight products. I have the Briogeo Banana and Coconut, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I'm just gonna use it up. I have the Totally Twisted. I just kind of use whatever. I hope you learned something today. Reminder, my social media everywhere is Bobby is Awkward. I would love for you to follow me. I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel. If you want to watch more Bobby is Awkward, there's going to be a video coming right up. Thanks for watching.
Pretty up from the minute that I met you.